Oh, another one. WhatsApp messages has come through from the parent helper tonight asking, can they bring their little one to Beavers? So context-wise about that WhatsApp, we've been there as a scout leader, as a group scout leader. You're following the WhatsApps and you find out that the parent helper down for tonight or tomorrow, whatever, their husband, their wife is stuck at work, not feeling well, and they have no choice but to bring their younger ones to the section because they're down for parent help. But can they do that? Are they covered by the scout insurance? Particularly, what does POR say about a parent helper bringing their little one? Also, can a leader bring their younger ones? So my daughter isn't in scouts. So if I had to bring her to scouts, is she covered as well? And is POR allowing another child to join the scout section even though she's not a member? And the simple answer is yes, they are covered. Let me quote you. Additional accident and medical expenses insurance from Unity say non-member helpers and supporters, for those who don't appear in the annual census of members, including parent helpers who are not automatically included in the cover arranged by Scouts. Non-member children. For children who aren't members of Scouts but attend or take part in weekly meetings or events because they're accompanying their parents or other adults. So urban myth that you're only insured if you're wearing a necker, that doesn't exist. We know that this necker urban myth is a load of old whatever. And that goes for parent helpers and their younger children and siblings. So like me, you might be seeing another WhatsApp message thinking, oh God, it's okay. They are covered. Don't worry. Just remember to count that young person in the ratio. And just think about this. Is that parent helper actually helping you? All right, so just say the parent helper is down to help at Beavers and they've got a baby with them. They've got a 6-month-old baby. Maybe they're giving more attention and looking after their own child rather than helping you assist with the other Beavers in the scout hall. Maybe they have to breastfeed their baby, or their 2-year-old needs constant attention. They're giving them drawing or whatever. And that parent helper is assisting their own child rather than helping you. And that's what you're wanting their help for. That's why they're a parent helper. So sometimes if that causes an issue, it's probably best not to get that parent down and get them on next week's, get them to swap around. Yeah. So just think about, okay, you can accept that child. They are covered by scout insurance, but are they going to help you or are they going to be more of a hindrance? What I would like to know is, what do you do in your group? Do you just say, yeah, that's fine? Or is there a complete ban on bringing the parent helper's child or leader's child to section? So I shouldn't just say this is just for parents. I should say this is for all adults. So just say, you know, I need to bring my daughter to scouts. Okay, she's 12, she's grown up enough, she can sit there, maybe play on the Switch or her phone. Maybe she brings her homework and she just sits in the corner and I can keep my eye on that she's still there, not getting involved in scouts as such. But I got to counter in that ratio. Guys, if you want some more ideas on how to become a better scout leader, maybe there's some advice, watch this playlist here. Or maybe you have a question that you don't want to ask your fellow scout leaders, your group scout leader, your DC. You want to keep it anonymous. Drop me a message, an email, a Facebook, and I'll do my very best to answer it here on Big Man of the Woods.